Umar bin Wasil al-Basri recounted about Sahal bin Abdullah that he told him, "One day my uncle asked me, 'Don't you remember God who created you?' I asked him, 'How can I remember him?' He said, 'Say by your heart as you move around in your clothes without, however, moving your tongue. God is my watcher.' I said this for 3 nights. Then I told him about this, and he said to me, 'Say this 7 times during the night.' I said this, then told him about this. He said to me, 'Say this 11 times during the night.' I said this, and I felt the sweetness of this in my heart. After 1 year, my uncle told me, 'Keep on doing it, what I taught you, and continue to do this until you enter